Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to explore one of the most important features in Power BI, that is filters. Filters help us to narrow down data and focus on exactly what we want to analyze so that we can make reports more dynamic and insightful. All right. Let's see different types of filters in Power BI. All right. So, like we have visual filter, visual level filter, then page level filters, then report level filters, then drill through filters, then cross filters, then slicers, then top end filters, then relative tape filters. So one by one, we will cover each filter. So um, let's today we will start with this visual level filter. Okay. Um, so let's take a closer look at visual level filters, what they are, how to apply them, and why they are so powerful uh, when you want to control data specifically for a single chart or a single visual. All right, so when we apply visual level filters, basically we apply visual level filters only to a single visual on a page. When you want to apply a single filter on a specific view and you don't want to apply that filter on rest of the views. In those cases, we use visual level filters. So let me walk you through a practical example for this visual level filter. So this is my data set in which I have order ID, product, region, order data, and sales. Basically, sales data. And let's explore visual level filter. So if I'm saying you that I want a page in which I want to see sales of product for 2025 year only in bar chart and in table I want to see sales for all years. So in this case, on this bar chart, we will apply visual filter to include only 2025 as year. But in rest this table, we will include all years. So let's see our data set. So here we can see we have 2023, 2024, and 2025 as year. All right. So let's select this clustered bar chart, and here if you want to show sales only for 2025, then what we're gonna do is, let's select this product here in y-axis and sales in x-axis. Alright, let's give data labels. Alright, so here we can see sales for laptop is 5.5K, for monitor it's 2.7K, and for keyboard it's 0.5, 5 to 5. Okay, now I just only want to see sales for the year 2025. So what I'm gonna do is, we will apply filter on this visual only, right? So for this, we will select, so we will apply visual level filter. So here you can see filters on this visual. So let's select our order date and drop it here, add data fields here. Now we want only for 2025. We will select advanced filtering, then is after. Let's go to Jan first. Is after, I guess we will select this. Yeah, then apply filter. So here you can see now sale is only for the year 2025. Okay. Now, if you want another filter, but in those, if you want another view, but in those view you want sales for the complete 2023 to 2025 year, then what we're gonna do is, we will, let's select a table here, and then we will drop product, then sales. So here you can see the complete sale for laptop is 5450, as we have seen this earlier, 5.5K. But for the 2025, it's 1500. And for keyboard, it's 525. But for the year 2025, it's 175. So this is the way to use visual level filter when you want to apply filter only on a selected visual but not on all visuals. In those cases, we go for visual level filter. Thank you.